How to see TikTok videos from another region or country. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can see TikTok videos from another region or country. Now, before, TikTok had the feature to change your region, and it allowed you to change your region so you could change it and stream from another country or another region videos. Now, the feature is not available anymore, but let me help you. Head over to your Play Store or App Store and search for VPN. Now, select any one VPN that you might want to use. I'll just select the Turbo VPN and download it. Let it download and get installed. Once it gets installed, open it. Now, once you open it, what you want to do is tap to connect, and it will connect to a random country. Now, if you want a particular country, tap on the world icon that you can find on the top right corner of your screen, and here you'll be able to select country and connect to the free ones. Now, you can always purchase special one, but you can always use free one. You can see I can use Toronto here from Canada, and once you tap on it, it will ask for connection request. Now grant it the request and it will start connecting. Now once this connects, you can head over to TikTok and stream the videos, and it will show you the videos from the particular region that you have switched your VPN to. Once you finish streaming, you can always come back to the app on the Turbo VPN or your VPN that you're using and disconnect it. This way you can see videos on TikTok from another country. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.